Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope everyone had a great day. And on this video, I will be reviewing the new Revlon Photoready Insta-Filter. And this is how it looks like. The expiration date, which is 18 months. Yeah, 18 months. Yeah. Okay, let's 18 months. Meaning, once you open this product, you only have 18 months to use this product. Otherwise, you have to chuck it in the bin, whether it is empty or halfway. We don't want to use expired products. Expired product. You can visibly see the ingredients that they use on this product, on this foundation. Okay, we will try this out, guys. So this is how it looks like. I have no idea. So we have to, I guess we have to see. I don't know as well how the foundation, but anyway, I'm in the shade 200 nude. Okay, I don't know how. See, wala pa, ang tagal. Oh, there you go. I can see all. See, there you go. You can see, guys. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, I will put a little bit on my skin. So there you go. Yeah. The foundation is not that runny, and it's not that tacky. It's just enough. Ayan. So spread ko lang. So there you go, guys. By the way, guys, I will be using on my left side, I will be using primer, and on my right side I won't apply any primer. I have review of this primer as well, so I will put in the description box down below so you can see the review of this primer. I love this primer because it's really good. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. So now we start applying the foundation. Okay. Okay, we'll pump out more. It looks light on my skin. Yeah, that's the problem. That's the issue. For me, the issue is how we'll be able to clean this beauty blender. See, this is how it looks like once you start applying on our skin. So make sure your skin are clean. Anyway, you have to apply moisturizer before applying any product on our skin to keep our skin moisture. So that's it. Doesn't say it lasts for 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours. So, that's it. Oh, ang bilis nga mag-set. I guess we need blender. Yep. Oh. It sets very quick. I think we need spare blender kasi nga mag-aano siya. Yung kailangan mo siyang i-blend. Well, kasi once pag nag-rely ka lang dun sa foundation na dun sa, if you rely only on the beauty blender that's attached to it, hindi mo mabiblend siya properly. You really have a spare blender to blend it well. Kasi yun ang key sa foundation. You have to blend it para mag-set siya sa skin natin. Hindi siya mag-cake. So, ang ganda niya. Look at that. It's really good. It's not tacky. I don't feel any tackiness. So let's try on the other side na may primer. Yeah. You can't blend it well pag nag-rely ka lang sa, you still need extra beauty blender para ma-blend mo siya ng maayos, kasi yung mga corners like yung sa nose, para ma-reach niya. Pero maganda siya, in fairness. It's really good. Mabilis siya mag-set. So once you apply it, you have to blend it right away. Kasi nagsiset kagad siya sa skin. So sa neck. Mas gusto ko yung may primer. Very lightweight siya. Hindi siya yung feeling na very heavy once you apply on your skin. Kasi may mga nagamit akong foundation before that once I apply it on my skin, we really feel straight away na mabigat siya sa skin natin. But this one is really lightweight. And ano siya, yung mabilis siya mag-set sa skin natin. Mabilis siyang mag-set, so you have to blend it right away once you apply on your skin. So that's it. Kaya lang pag walang primer, if you don't apply primer, you can still see your pores, kasi I have visible pores on my skin, on my face here, but still really good so far. Pag ito may primer siya, may primer tong side na to, so I don't see my pores. So nakatulong yung primer nung in-apply ko siya para ma-cover up yung mga pores ko. So, but some of my freckles, melasma is still visible. So, don't expect full coverage. This is from light to medium coverage lang siya. So, yan. There you go, guys. That's the see the difference without primer and with primer. So, very smooth yung my primer. Smooth din naman tingnan, pero you can see the difference ng my primer at sa walang primer. So, I suggest, if you want a smooth and velvety looking, apply primer. So, yes, that's it, guys. So, we'll see how it lasts. Kung magtatagal ba siya ng mga, bigyan natin ng mga at least 7 hours kung ano ang performance niya. So, I'll be right back, guys. I will just finish my look and will update you later. See ya! Hi, guys! I'm back. I'm done with my makeup. I'll be giving you update later on sa foundation na ito, kung magkikake ba siya, kung how long siya maglalast sa skin ko, kung magre-react ba siya sa skin ko, kasi may mga foundation na in a couple of hours magkakaroon na ng irritation siya, magkakaroon na ng reaction sa skin natin siya. So, we'll see later kung ano ang performance niya. But first, time check po tayo. It's 10:58. So that's it, guys. So we'll see you again later. Bye. Hi, guys, time check po tayo. So it's 10:43. I've been wearing this foundation for almost 11 hours now. Guys, final update po tayo with Revlon Photoready Insta-Filter. So far naman, gusto ko siya kasi hindi naman siya tacky, very lightweight siya. And then, cakey issue, hindi naman siya nag-cake sa akin. Wala. I never see any cake sa foundation sa face ko, so which is really good. Thumbs up on that. And then I never had any retouch done. So, and then yeah, very convenient siya gamitin. The downside is that the beauty blender, the built-in beauty blender, yun lang ang hindi ko nagustuhan, kasi kailangan nililinis natin ang beauty blender natin to avoid irritations in germs, kasi mabilis kumapit yan pagka hindi natin nililinis ang beauty blender. So, yep. And yeah, the price is good for this foundation kasi it once you apply it, it will give you a flawless finish foundation, and then you can apply it anytime, anywhere with your perfect makeup. And yes, guys, and I hope na makapag-decide din kayo kung magustuhan ninyo, and I'm pretty sure you will like this foundation, and the formula works with your skin tone as well. And once you apply it, it evens and smooth your skin tone. Affordable din yung price niya, for the price of $20.97. So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you enjoy watching this video, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share this video. And if you can subscribe on my channel, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Bye.